Is a master's degree actually worth it, or should I gain work experience and certifications? I love the cap. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So they're asking if they should get a master's degree, or if it's or they should just gain work experience. So one of the things that I've learned, I don't have a master's degree. I have a bachelor's degree in finance, in business administration, but with a focus in finance. I don't have a master's degree, but this is what I've learned based on the people that I work with, and some of my friends that have gone for their master's degrees, and some of my friends that did not go for it. So before you go for a master's degree, it depends, if you're going for something in business or if you're going to focus in accounting or finance, it's going to depend on that as well. So let's say you have a finance degree, right? An undergraduate finance degree. And we just graduated. A lot of people like to do their masters, right after, so that they just, get it over with. But you should do the opposite. You should actually go work, get some work experience, right? So let's say you're in finance, you graduate, go work for 3 4 years, maybe 5 years, right? You're gonna realize exactly what you want to do. You might be a finance major, but you don't know what you want to do, right? Because finance is such a huge industry. You can go to you can go lots of directions, right? So in those 5 years when you're working, you can switch jobs every year, every couple months, just to find something that you actually enjoy doing. And sometimes you're gonna find out, oh, I actually enjoy doing accounting a little more. So you get your master's degree in accounting, right, instead of in finance, with a focus in finance. So I would say get some work experience, and then go back to school. And or if you and that also minimizes your debt, right? So sometimes if you're taking loans to go to school, a master's degree is expensive if you're going to be getting that. Now if you go to work, if you go for there are lots of companies that have tuition assistance and reimbursement programs where they will help you pay for tuition if you're going to be getting a master's program, or if you have college debt, they would help you pay that off. Or if you're um, sometimes you might have to sign something that says that after you get your master's degree, you have to work for them for a year, 2 years, or something like that. It just depends on the company. But that is also going to help you if you were going to be taking loans, if you work for a company that has a program that will kind of like help you pay off that tuition. They might give you a certain percentage, they might reimburse you a certain percentage, but that's going to help. Then it's free money is better than no money. So, yeah, so I would not go for a master's degree right after you graduate from college. I would go get some work experience, and yeah, for 4 or 5 years. And if you see that, you enjoy, and most of the time you're gonna see that, nowadays uh, people value experience more than education now, right? So you have people that have bachelor's degree that make that are in higher positions just because they've been working longer, and you get someone that has a master's degree that doesn't get that position. Now, if you let's say if you don't get your master's degree in 6 7 years, and you realize that you want to become CEO, CFO, things like that, then you might need your master's degree, because when you get to those levels, those people have master's degrees, but you're not going to become CEO in 5 years, right? So that's why you need those 4 to 5 years to kind of like explore, find the things you actually want to do, and then go back to school for your master's degree and focus on things that you want to do. And that's also going to make the classes easier because you've had real life experience.